How to fix lower back pain instantly. Suffering from lower back pain? Did you know that the right foods can help relieve back pain naturally? In this video, discover how to fix lower back pain with food by targeting inflammation, supporting muscle health, and strengthening your spine through nutrition. Lower back pain can disrupt daily life, but with a back pain diet, you can take control and heal naturally. Learn which anti-inflammatory foods reduce swelling, which vitamins and minerals promote spinal health, and how nutrient-rich superfoods like leafy greens, omega-3 fatty acids, berries, and turmeric can ease pain and stiffness. We'll also cover the importance of hydration, magnesium-rich foods, and essential nutrients like vitamin D, calcium, and antioxidants for a healthy back. This video is ideal for those looking for natural remedies for back pain, anti-inflammatory diets, and food-based solutions to support mobility and spinal strength. Whether you suffer from chronic lower back pain or occasional discomfort, these nutrition tips can make a big difference. Top foods to naturally reduce back pain. The back is made up of bones, muscles, tendons, ligaments, and nerves. All of these parts rely on proper hydration to stay healthy. When we don't drink enough water, we are more likely to experience muscle strains, cramps, or spasms, which are common causes of back pain. Many people who suffer from cramps know that dehydration is often a major reason. A simple way to prevent or reduce back pain is to drink more water. Another common cause of back pain is herniated or bulging discs, which can happen when the spine becomes dehydrated. Drinking enough water, along with chiropractic care and the right exercises, can help rehydrate the discs in your spine and reduce pain. It's clear that dehydration can either cause or make back pain worse. To stay healthy, you should aim to drink at least half an ounce of water per pound of your body weight every day. Now, let's talk about electrolytes, nutrients that help your body absorb and hold on to water more effectively. The 4 key electrolytes are potassium. Most people don't get enough potassium. It helps your back hold water and reduces pain. You can find potassium in many fruits and vegetables. Sodium. While sodium is important for hydration, too much sodium, and not enough potassium, can negatively impact your nerves and hydration levels. Magnesium. Magnesium helps your body relax, reduces inflammation, and improves hydration. It also helps with joint and muscle health. Calcium. Calcium is important for strong bones, but it also helps your body absorb water and keeps your muscles healthy. By drinking enough water and getting these key electrolytes, you can keep your back healthy and reduce pain naturally. Fatty fish or fish oil. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and oysters are packed with nutrients that can help reduce and heal back pain. One key nutrient is omega-3 fatty acids, which most people don't get enough of. Omega-3s are great for reducing inflammation and easing back pain quickly. They can also help prevent back pain from worsening over time. These fish are also rich in other important nutrients like B vitamins, vitamin D, vitamin E, copper, phosphorus, potassium, and selenium, which keep your body healthy and strong. To get the benefits, aim for 2-5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids each day. This equals about 3 ounces of salmon or sardines or 5 ounces of mackerel or oysters. Green vegetables. Green vegetables like kale, broccoli, lettuce, and cabbage are some of the best foods for overall health and back pain relief. They are loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that reduce inflammation and help your body heal. For best results, try to eat 5 big handfuls of green veggies each day. It may sound like a lot, but simple recipes can make it easy to include them in your meals. Berries. Berries are a tasty and simple way to support back pain recovery. They are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and nutrients that reduce inflammation, repair muscles and tendons, and strengthen bones to prevent pain and fractures. You should aim to eat at least 1 cup of berries every day. This can include blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, goji berries, or acai, whichever you like best. Herbs and spices like ginger, turmeric, and garlic are small but powerful. They contain nutrients and healing compounds that help reduce inflammation and speed up recovery in damaged areas, making you feel less pain. The recommendation is to include 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and ginger and 1 clove of garlic daily. A little goes a long way for your back. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an incredibly healthy food that many people overlook. They are packed with nutrients that can help reduce inflammation, which is great for easing back pain. Sweet potatoes are not only helpful for back pain but also offer other health benefits. They can help with managing stress, controlling diabetes, preventing vitamin A deficiency, and reducing the risk of heart disease. Their anti-inflammatory properties make them especially useful for people with chronic back pain, as they can help reduce discomfort. To boost the benefits even more, try pairing sweet potatoes with salmon for an even stronger anti-inflammatory effect. This simple and nutritious food can make a big difference in how your back feels. Nuts. Nuts are a great food with amazing health benefits, but if you have a nut allergy, this isn't for you. Nuts like cashews, peanuts, pecans, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and hazelnuts are packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce back pain. They contain important nutrients such as zinc, calcium, magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin E, which are known to fight inflammation. On top of helping with back pain, nuts are also good for your heart and can be especially helpful for people with rheumatoid arthritis. Adding a small handful of nuts to your daily diet can be an easy and tasty way to improve your health and ease back discomfort. Olive oil. Olive oil is a great choice for cooking because it has anti-inflammatory properties. It's a much healthier option compared to many other cooking oils. Extra virgin olive oil contains a special compound called oleocanthal, which works similarly to ibuprofen to reduce inflammation and ease pain. The best part is that the foods on this list, including olive oil, can be enjoyed by everyone, whether you eat meat, are vegetarian, or vegan. To reduce back pain even more, try adding fruits like berries and cherries and vegetables like beets to your meals. Pulses. Pulses, such as lentils, beans, and chickpeas, are rich in protein, minerals, flavonoids, and fiber, making them a powerful ally in managing back pain. These nutrient-dense foods not only strengthen the body but also possess anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce discomfort and swelling associated with back pain. Their regenerative abilities promote faster healing of tissues, while the sustained energy they provide supports an active recovery. Incorporating pulses into your diet can also enhance overall musculoskeletal health, aiding in long-term relief and improved mobility. Additional ways to relieve lower back pain. Lower back pain can often be eased with a few lifestyle changes and targeted practices. Regular stretching, yoga, or low-impact exercises like swimming can strengthen core muscles and provide crucial support for the spine. Maintaining proper posture during daily activities, whether sitting, standing, or lifting, helps minimize strain on the lower back. Using heat or cold therapy can reduce pain and inflammation, while investing in a supportive mattress ensures proper spinal alignment during sleep. Staying hydrated and including anti-inflammatory foods, such as leafy greens, nuts, and fatty fish, can enhance overall back health. Avoiding heavy lifting and practicing correct lifting techniques are also important for preventing further injury. If pain persists, seeking professional guidance for physical therapy or medical intervention can offer lasting relief. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates. Wishing you good health, wealth, and happiness.